Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Ashish and today we will see how to configure MySQL DB on Heroku. If you don't know about Heroku, it's a cloud just like AWS or Google Cloud where you could deploy and host your web applications. So the prerequisite for this video is you must know how to deploy a web app on Heroku. So if you don't know how to do this, please watch the video link given in the description where I have shown how to deploy a Spring Boot REST service on Heroku Cloud. So let's see how we can configure the MySQL on Heroku so that you can configure as a DB for your web app. So this is my Heroku homepage. I have created an account on the website, and let me show you how to create the DB. So let's start with it. You have to create new app on it. So let's say I will call it as a Java Tech demo. Yeah, the application name is available. I will select the region. I'm in India, so I'll choose Europe and say create app. Okay, so here you have to go in resources and say find more add-ons, or you can just type it here mysql. In this you have to select this one, clear db mysql. Then you have to select the package which one you want. So I'll be choosing the free one, and before that, whenever you want to select these add-ons, you have to link your credit card as well. I have already linked my credit card, so yep, I can select this one and say provision. Okay, so the DB has been created successfully. If you click here, so it has opened the schema name for me, and this is my schema name. And if you want to know the properties of this database, you have to go in the access option. Sorry, you have to go in settings option and say reveal config variables. So here you will find a link, so I'll just copy it in notepad. Now so you have to separate it. This is my username, this is my password, and this is my DB URL, and this is my schema name again. So we get all the parameters from here. So if you see the schema name, it's here only. Now let's try to connect it. So you can download any application from which you can connect to MySQL DB. So I have downloaded MySQL Workbench, and let me create my connection name, Java Tech demo. I'll copy this host name here. I'll keep port as it is. This is my username, and this is my password. You have to paste it here and say test connection. Okay, so yes, it is able to connect to your database. Let's try to. So now I will try to connect to the DB. Yes, so we are able to connect to the DB, and this is my schema name. I will say use schema. So this is successful. If I say show tables, okay, so currently there are no tables in it, so it will show as it is. So you can configure these properties in your application.properties file in your project in DB section, and then you can deploy the same application on the Heroku. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial, guys. If you like the video, please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.